Yeah, my people, this is Igbo Youth Movement. They have a strong message to all the Nigerians. Igbo Youth Movement.
Greetings all over the world. My name is Justice Ozobi. This is a Igbo Youth Movement. And we want to inform the general body, the entire Nigeria, about our stand in this country. First of all, concerning insecurity, we the Igbo Youth Movement comprises all the whole 5 states in Igbo land and across Igbo land, which is included Delta State, Edo, and River State. The people you are seeing here are the leaders of all local governments of Igbo Youth Movement, all leaders of all the whole local government. First of all, we want to talk about the insecurity in Igbo land. We are demanding that every youth in Igbo land should participate in their village security. It is very, very important that every youth in Igbo land should join their state and community security. Number 2, we want to tell the whole Nigerians concerning police brutality and extortion in Igbo land. We are also demanding for an end to police brutality and extortion from Anambra State mostly, and Ebonyi State in particular, where we are having series of complaints about police brutality on our people, and we demand an end to it. We are calling on our governors, all the whole governors in Eastern Region, to please put an end to this police brutality and extortion of our youth. Failing to do so, we are also going to write a petition to the IG of police and also to the heads of House of Rep in Igbo land. Third, we will write petition to the heads of House of Rep and the rest. We are also demanding the right of our people in all the whole Nigeria, the right to vote. We are demanding the right for our people to vote. We are warning MC Oluomo and the rest, who always intimidate, harass our people, stopping them from participating in their own lawful rights. We are demanding an end to it. In this coming election 2027, we are demanding an end to harassment. Any attempt to hinder the vote of our people, we will also retaliate from the East. We are not holding your people not to vote in the East. You must also allow our people to participate on their lawful rights in Nigeria. Last one, we are also demanding to know who is the head of SEDC, right?
Yes.
Southeast Development Commission. We are demanding to know who is in charge and what have they achieved in Igbo land since the organization was formed. We the Igbo youth, we are demanding an accountability, or we will march down to their office, because the Nigerian government has provided for us something that is rightfully belongs to us, and we need an accountability for it. Failing to do so, we will march to the office. I will not be so. No. I will not be what we talk. No. Thank you very much.
Like the leader of the Igbo Youth Movement, Ozobi, said, concerning Southeast Development Commission, please, Ndi Igbo, the person spearheading that commission is Mark Okoye. He is known, he's our brother. Yes. So, but the problem here is that we saw a committee of senators comprising Senator Abaribe, Senator Juzokalo, and others, asking him to come and give account of 16 billion naira given to Ndi Igbo. In that committee, they were asking him how much is remaining in that 16 billion. He says 11 billion naira. Then Juzokalo says it's a lie, that he called CBN. That the one remaining is 13.something billion. And in that case, that he rented a one-room apartment in Abuja, 153 million. How can we be dying in Igbo land? No development, our mothers are dying, there's no good education, and a kind of this money was given to, because why did they create a Southeast Development Commission? Because Igbo started agitating that we don't have, we are being neglected. Yes, so how can the money come? And there are studies already. So we are telling the committee, we are now concerned in this case. Yes. And we heard that their office is in Enugu. So all IYM will fix a date, we will march to that office. We are not begging anybody. We will demand for that money. It will not be like a political
You must
money.
inform your people. Inform
So
your people.
every
Let
IYM
everybody get
coordinator
prepared.
go and inform your people.
Go and inform your people.
So
We are
Audu
marching to
Okalo
Enugu
and
State.
Abaribe and the rest of them, your committee should know that IYM, Igbo Youth Movement, is also coming in.
We're interested.
So that money is not for politicians. That investigation will not end for politicians. Ndị Igbo ga-eme gịnị ka abata n'ime ya. Onye kweta dị ebe afọ. Ihe kwano. So that's it.
Thank you very much.